Today in this video we are going to see what is prompt engineering and everything you need to know about prompt engineering. If you want detailed course about prompt engineering for free, then comment below. I will update prompt engineering courses in this channel. Let's start the video. Prompt engineering is both an AI engineering technique for refining large language models, LLMs, with specific prompts and recommended outputs, and the term for the process of refining input to various generative AI services to generate text or images. As generative AI tools improve, prompt engineering will also be important in generating other kinds of content, including robotic process automation bots, 3D assets, scripts, robot instructions, and other types of content and digital artifacts. The AI engineering technique helps tune LLMs for specific use cases and uses zero-shot learning examples combined with a particular dataset to measure and improve their performance. However, prompt engineering for various generative AI tools tends to be a more widespread use case, simply because there are far more users of existing tools than developers working on new ones. Prompt engineering combines elements of logic, coding, art, and in some cases, special modifiers. The prompt can include natural language text, images, or other types of input data. Although the most common generative AI tools can process natural language queries, the same prompt will likely generate different results across AI services and tools. It is also important to note that each tool has its own special modifiers to make it easier to describe the weight of words, styles, perspectives, layout, or other properties of the desired response. Why is prompt engineering important to AI? Prompt engineering is essential for creating better AI-powered services and getting better results from existing generative AI tools. In terms of creating better AI, prompt engineering can help teams tune LLMs and troubleshoot workflows for specific results. For example, enterprise developers may experiment with this aspect of prompt engineering when tuning an LLM like GPT-3 to power a customer-facing chatbot or to handle enterprise tasks like creating industry-specific contracts. In an enterprise use case, a law firm may want to use a generative model to help lawyers automatically generate contracts in response to a specific prompt. They may have specific requirements that all new clauses in the new contracts reflect existing clauses found across the firm's existing library of contract documentation, rather than including new summaries that may introduce legal issues. In this case, prompt engineering would help fine-tune the AI systems for the highest level of accuracy. On the other hand, an AI model being trained for customer service may use prompt engineering to help consumers find solutions to problems from across an extensive knowledge base more efficiently. In this case, it may be desirable to allow natural language processing, or NLP, to generate summaries in order to help people with different skill levels analyze the problem and solve it on their own. For example, a skilled technician might only need a simple summary of key steps, while a novice would need a longer step-by-step guide elaborating on the problem and solution using more basic terms. Examples of prompt engineering: there are vast differences in the types of prompts one might use for generating text, code, or images. Here are some examples for different types of content: text Chatgpt GPT, code Chatgpt Codex, images Stable Diffusion Midjourney dall-e 2, and etc. We will upload AI-related content in this channel, so subscribe our channel and stay with us. If you like our video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.